Good morning, students and parents. Today is day one, Monday the 23rd. I thought it'd be a good idea to walk you through today's lessons. If you have any questions or concerns, please let me know. I will update these daily so that you can see what we're doing the day before and let you know on the instructional videos that you can see. Oops, that doesn't have to be there. Here's our schedule. Day one, of course, it's math. You go to your Think Central account and you find your Think Central section on your things to do list. Of course, you click on it and you will see the assignment assigned for you today. If you take a look at that Module 12 post test, Group D will have a different test. If you notice, these tests have particular tests or assignments have particular dates that they are due. Instead of having all the assignments open up on Monday and due for Friday, I went ahead and labeled them and per day. So today's Monday, tomorrow's you'll see Tuesdays, and submit them when they're complete. Next thing you'll do is you go to your physical exercise. Again, go to Go Noodle. If you can't go outside, I'd really recommend everyone, if you have an opportunity to go outside, please go outside and play. The next section today is the reading from Pearson Realize. If you go to the Pearson Realize account, we're doing the close activity. We've done this before in the past, but we've had the printed stories printed out for the students. And students, if you remember, we would highlight them, we would underline them. For today, for the virtual, when you go to your page, you have this page, of course. You have the close read, that's what we're doing. Today we're doing descriptive language. If you click on descriptive language on the icon, okay, this keeps showing up. Click on descriptive language. It gives you instructions of what to do. You read this. Descriptive words help the reader imagine the characters, settings, and events of the story. It's exactly what we did in class before, but now we're just doing it digitally. So here's the first thing it asks you to do. Complete these close read tasks. So it says underline details in paragraphs 1 and 2 that describe the beginning of the world. So you go to paragraph 1 and 2. Anything you say these were your answer there. Once you highlight it, it will show. Let me scroll down so you can see that. You'll get this. It'll pop up. Once you that one, if this one said underline, you click on underline, and if you notice, it underlined your answer there. If it were to say to highlight, of course, you'd click on the highlight button and highlight it. Click on save, and it'll save your information there. You continue going through each one of these. Here's a text evidence. You read the question and answer on the notebook. Remember, when you use a notebook, you open it up and you can type out your information. Please be sure to follow all grammar rules, punctuation, spelling, and capitalization. So that's the close read assignment. If you close this up, for tomorrow, you will be doing the visualize details. And again, you drop down the menu there, and now it asks you to highlight. It will be the same thing. You highlight what you think is your appropriate answer. You click on the highlight and save. It will save it for you, and your highlight will answer the question that's asking you here. So please go through that one. Again, this is tomorrow's. Everything is here for you. I went ahead and tried to label everything for you on the plan. So if you have any questions, please let me know. So that's your Think Central. Let's go to our plans for today. Continue with that. We did Pearson, of course, Epic. You know how to log into that. Here's your class code. I have not assigned any assignments on Epic for now. I want everyone to be able to be sure to log in and be able to find books to read. Please use this as your virtual library. You do have your snack time today. Here's your spelling. For spelling, of course, you go again into your Pearson Realize, and it is the same thing. Where is Pearson? Let me find that for you. Okay. So when you go to the Pearson, the spelling is pretty much the same. It's pretty much self-explanatory. It'll guide you through it. Please give me a minute because we're trying to go into the next section here. I'm going through my portal. Your portal will be similar to this, but this is mine. And if you, here's your assignment for spelling. Please be patient, and I'll guide you through what you need to do. And of course, you also have your notebooks once you pick those up. Here you have the activity. You can print this out, or you can create these in your notebooks. So everything will be guided. Read it, answer the questions. Of course, we're not going to do the turn and talk unless you could work with a parent or a friend or a sibling, and then use each word in a sentence. You could start logging in this information in your writing notebook or in your writing journal. In your writing notebook. Again, just put the date, give me the title, what this is, what the assignment is, and we should be okay. Okay, that is that. Let's go back into our plans for today. So we go back. That is your spelling for Pearson Realize. Journal writing. Again, just go to your journal. This is your writing assignment for today. Please be sure to include a title and the date. It's very important you do that. When you start writing, please use your best penmanship. Follow all capitalization, punctuation rules, and organization rules. It is essential that you take that you're very careful when you write. You need to practice. I know we're at home, but you have to use the same skills that you use in the classroom. I'm still developing a manner by which I can review these for you, but for now, let's just get them written out, and then we'll get to that when the time's needed. Of course, here's your lunch. Pearson Realize, when you go to your social studies, it will have the link on Pearson Realize for social studies, and they are labeled with I will know. Student e-text. It tells you what to do. When you click on that, it will guide you through that. Let me see if I can show you where it's at with Pearson. Okay, where are you? Here's your Pearson Realize. I am in the reading section here, but I have to go to classes. This is my section here, so you're not going to see that. Your Pearson Realize for social studies will say that it'll be labeled like this. Got it. I will know. If you see, these are the titles I've given you. So when you look at the lesson plan, like so, it says I will know. So that's how I labeled that for you. And if you notice that it says I will know, got it, so that matches this. And then just click on that, and it should guide you through what you need to do. Remember, anytime you type something for me, please use all your grammar and punctuation and spelling rules. Signs for today's I Excel. I have a simple activity for you to work on. Please be sure to log into that. If you have any login information, please call me. At the end of the day, I did include this at 2 p.m. to 2:45. I know today is I forgot to include the prayer time, so if you could just move this one down to prayer here, or move this down here, and we'll select this for your prayer time. Again, we're working on this day to day, and as we move on, things will get easier, and I will start adjusting them. Again, even with me, practice makes perfect. I don't know why that keeps shining up. I'm sorry for that. If there's any other questions that you have, please let me know. This is day one, and I will be submitting this video and giving you any other information as needed. Thank you again, and have a great day.